And if you know anything about hair color, you know that getting the red out of your hair is straight up hell.
This year, blessing, money, testimony. Go to follow.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. Espero que se encuentren bien. I know we're closing up the year, you guys, and with that, I'm bringing you guys another video. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss another video. Now let's get into it. You guys know, listen, I've been a redhead for about 4 to 5 months, and I knew when I changed my hair color that I wanted to change my hair color again around this time. Because listen, being a redhead, it was fun. I had my little fun. It was kiki haha, but the fun is over. I'm over it. I'm very much over it. So now we're moving on to something better. Okay. And I also knew that around December, I just didn't want to have red hair. There's just something about having red hair in December or during Christmas that just does not sit right with my soul. Entonces yo sabía que yo me iba a cambiar el color de pelo para ese tiempo. I intended to record this video in a whole different format, but I was not able to do that. But I still wanted to give you guys the footage, so we're just gonna roll with it, okay? We got a little bit of help from my mom's coworker. She was the one who did my highlights and my roots, just because my mom was actually doing me low-key in between clients. Like, I was her last one. We had very late nights and very early mornings, but we got it done. You guys already know how much I love when my mom does my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments your thoughts and opinions on the final reveal. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.
We retouched the roots of my hair. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record everything for you guys, and also my mom wasn't the one doing this part of my hair, so I just didn't want to bother her too much, you know, with moving the camera, getting the right angle. Like, it was just, you know, when it's my mom, it's different because she gonna take her time. And then she washed out some of the red color, so I'm transitioning to a completely different hair color, obviously. And if you know anything about hair color, you know that getting the red out of your hair is straight up hell. So this is gonna be a long process. I'm not expecting to be like a very big color difference today, but look how easy my hair lifts up. Like, look how light my hair is. And please do not mind all these acne scars that I got going on. That's besides the point. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm in a process, like a phase in my life when it comes to my hair, that I want to do every color in the book before I go back to black, because I know I'm always gonna end up back to black, and I've always been a either platinum blonde or jet black type of girl. That's always been me. But now when I decided to do red was because I was like, you know what, I kind of want to play around with my hair, because I just don't play around with my hair enough, nearly enough. I want to do every color that I can think of that I kind of would want to be, like, ever, and then I'll go jet black eventually again.
Mira qué belleza, mira. Mira qué lindo. Y mira el frente, mira qué frente más bonito, mira. ¿Viste? Entonces.
Muy bonito. Muy bonito. Me siento rara si después está prendido en fuego.
Pero lo que te digo.
O sea, ahora me quedara así. Fueron un éxito.
Si hay que estar así suelto, sueltísimo. El color que se ve muy lindo con sonrisa. Y ahora va a ser cuando, cómo se ve cuando te le...
We haven't cut my ends or anything yet. We literally just blow dried my hair. But can we get into the colors? If you ask me what color this is, I don't know. But the fact that I was just a redhead and my mother got me to this under one process, yeah, my hair's a little dry, but it's okay. I know how to take care of my hair, and we're gonna get it real luscious. And when you go from bright red to this, it's bound to get a little dry, okay? Oh, I hope I don't get copyrighted because I'm talking and the music is on. But anyways, the color is to die for. But I love my mom. She's the goat. She's the goat.
Yo, billete de ahí en el alma corazón. Ay. Y es delicado mejor que hay.
I just wanted to show you guys so you can properly see like the color and everything. This is after we cut my ends. It feels so soft and nice. Gracias, mommy. Shout out to mommy for making me a mamacita as always. When I decided to go red, mommy yo, we were already talking about what was gonna be the next color. That's one thing about me and mommy. We actually do plan things out. Like, none of this is really random, you know? When I decided to change my hair color, we thought about it, we sat with it for a little bit. She told me, you know, these are the things that could happen to your hair. This is how we're gonna do it in a safe way. She was just giving me the rundown, you know? And I still decided to go through with it. And when I was applying the red color, we already spoke about the transition to the next color, because I already knew I wanted to be red and then I wanted to go lighter. So by summertime, I'm like blonde, kind of, sort of. That was the plan. So I already knew like my hair was gonna go through a lot of process, because right now, listen, yo estoy en un season ahora mismo donde yo quiero ponerme todos los colores posibles en mi cabello hasta volver a negro. Because I know once I go back to black again, there's no turning back. The only time I'm gonna do a different color is when my hair turns gray, okay? When I start getting my gray hairs, I'm not covering no gray hairs. That's another thing. Y'all gonna see me with my gray afro when I get old. Well, y'all probably not gonna see me because I'm not, you know, gonna be on YouTube like that. But you know what I'm trying to say. Nunca digas nunca, never say never. But I'm more than likely not going to be coloring my hair anymore when I go back to black again.